and I'm Rack. Glad to be back from the Aquatic Experience in Chicago. Got my brand new Aquarium Co-op t-shirt autographed by Corey, customized Hank the Puffer on the fish, drew a little mustache and goatee for Hank. And you know, Corey is sporting a beard these days. I think it looks great, so it's only fitting that he drew one on Hank for my customized t-shirt. Thank you, Corey, very much for that. So many exciting things happened at the Aquatic Experience. I hope you'll check out some of my other videos featuring short interviews with lots of YouTubers, lots of the FISHFAM showing up. Every one of those guys, man, it's so great to meet them. Wonderful people, and I think you'll be able to tell when you watch the videos. Leave a comment and go to see the page of the YouTuber that I'm interviewing and tell them that you enjoyed them participating in interviews with other YouTubers. I think it's a lot of fun to come home and watch everyone else's interviews. I think you will too. So that's not why we're doing this video today. Today we're doing a video because one of the friends that I made at Aquatic Experience was the Aquatic Life vendors booth. And I shared with the guys over at Aquatic Life that I'd been looking for a clamp-on light for a rimless nano tank. Just so happens Aquatic Life makes the RENO brand of aquarium equipment, and one of their products is a clamp-on light. So they were so kind, so generous. They sent me a sample of their clamp-on light, and it's the nicer one with the white and the blue lights. So stay tuned. I'm going to unbox and actually put on a nano tank, a rimless nano tank, the RENO Clamp-on Light. I'm going to give you a little demonstration. I hope you like it. And then I'll put a link where you can find one. I think they're less than 25 bucks. And then if you get one that doesn't have the blue lights, it may be around 20. But I'll link to all of that stuff. In the meantime, I hope that you enjoy the video and that you like the RENO Clamp-on Light. I think it's obviously a quality build with the aluminum body and the metal arm that bends and swings out of the way for maintenance. So I'm just going to let you watch that and listen to some cool music. And I'm going to say thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.